Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about the Filled Surface tool. Let's start with a new sketch on the top plane. Activate the Ellipse tool now. Center point, major axis, minor axis. Exit the sketch. Isometric view. Now let's create a second sketch on the front plane. Spline tool. Let's create a spline, something like this. Right-click and select to exit the tool. Now let's select this spline point and the origin point and add a vertical relation. Let's exit our sketch. Last sketch, it's going to be on the right plane. Activate the spline tool. And right-click and select to exit the spline, then we'll exit the sketch. We're on the Surfaces tab. Let's activate the Filled Surface tool. Let's clear the pre-selected Sketch 3 from the Patch Boundary selection window. Now let's select our ellipse. For constraint curves, I'll select both remaining sketches. We see our preview. Let's click OK. Now let's cut a hole in our surface. We'll do it with a new sketch. Let's use the Ellipse tool. Minor axis, exit the sketch. Take an isometric view. Activate the Trim Surface tool. Sketch 4 is pre-selected as our Trim tool. Keep selections, let's select them, and click OK. Now let's patch this hole using the Filled Surface tool. We'll select this edge, and here's a preview. Let's choose a tangency option, Tangent. Here is our preview again. As you see, the Filled Surface tool does a really good job of recreating the original surface. If the surface you created doesn't look very smooth, you can improve the quality by unchecking Optimize Surface. Here it is. Let's scroll down the Property Manager. You can adjust the resolution control using this slider. The higher the resolution, the smoother the surface is going to be. The downside of higher resolution is that this will increase the model size and the processing time. Let's check the Optimize Surface box and click OK. And this concludes our lesson about using the Filled Surface tool.